his own zone to play with. So we have to be very well planned and we have to be very consistent with our plan. So maybe the deviation can be accepted within the tolerance limit, but when we plan, we have to be remain very careful. The plan is not be 100% pragmatic, but it should almost be at the accurate level. So what we may plan for future, it is within us for the time being, but since we are responsible for this to the board, so if the deviation percentage is very big, maybe we will have to answer many questions to that, and we need to find out our ways. All together, we need to find out ways how we can make things happen in a very effective way. Like Ziaul, you see, somewhere is finding his food. It doesn't know where is food exactly, but he keeps his eyes vigilant and finding his desired one at the final level. But if someone disturbs in your plan, in your execution, to roll out what and how you see your future in the business drive, what will be the consequence? Will be the third one. Please go with the third one. So this is something food clearance, and someone is there to blame his food. But what happens ultimately at the end of the day? You see, he is going to lose his entire energy, and he is trying hard to make it happen so that he can eat. But at the end of the day, what happens is, this is very challenging time. The business goes like this way. Sometimes some people will not help you to gain your competitive advantage, but will have to remain vigilant all the time. See, they lose the hope. Thank you. So the message is like, the weak people focus on their insecurities. Arrogant people focus on others' weaknesses. Strong people focus on their strengths. Focusing on others makes you weaker. Focusing on yourself makes you stronger. So focus on yourself and don't worry about anyone else. So with this, we'll go with today's our business plan.